Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a medium egg in Brookhaven. To begin your exciting egg hunt, head over to the fountain near the spawn point. You'll find a special board there. Simply interact with it and choose the medium mode difficulty. Remember, there are 20 eggs to find, and you must collect every single one in a single game session. If you leave or switch modes, your progress will reset, so stay focused and have fun. Let's start our search in the bustling downtown area. Your first egg is often found at the subway entrance, right by the fountain. Next, make your way to the pool area, check both the bus stop and atop the water slide for more eggs. Don't forget to look for 3 eggs scattered on the street directly in front of the Brookhaven Bank. Finally, peek underneath the stairs of the mail and packages building for another hidden gem. Our hunt continues to some key community buildings. Head to the hospital and search for an egg near the emergency room entrance. You'll also find another one just across the road from there. For a trickier spot, venture inside the hospital and check the X-ray machine. Then, make your way to Brookhaven School. A clever egg is often hidden on a ledge high above 2 sets of balloons inside. Keep your eyes peeled. For our final set of eggs, let's explore some commercial and residential spots. Look behind the counters at both Moe's Pizza and Burger Barn for hidden eggs. The motel is another hotspot. Check its roof and near the pool corner. You'll also find an egg on the first floor of the Brookhaven apartments. Lastly, don't miss the alleyway tucked behind the supermarket. Collect all 20 and you'll earn your special reward.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.